They're usually not out during the day, it's only the night.
They are nighttime creatures. Well, he was flexing his wings before, now he's not. He's sitting there chilling. The other one has stopped climbing. There's still some movement there. There he goes. He's left his shell.
Wow.
It's time. Leave the shell behind.
The other's like, wait, get that thing out of my face.
Hmm?
I'm trying to get out of my shell, too.
Yeah, right. It's almost as if that empty shell's in the way now. For this other, the new guy. This one.
Yeah, he doesn't have any wings. The new guy doesn't have any wings.
Well, he'll break out of his shell.
If he breaks out of his shell, he will.
And he'll be the same as this other one. At some point.
Just gonna knock it right off the wall.
Yeah. I wonder if it'll fall off. That's so funny. Maybe that's what happened to the other one that was on the porch post.
One of them I didn't, that was on this porch post, I knocked off and didn't even realize it the next morning.
Yeah. They're fragile little things once they're empty.
It's gonna flop to the ground.
Look at that.
Completely away from it and out of it.
How amazing. Look, it's gonna fall. What is it doing?
Thinks it's another cicada, maybe.
I don't know what it's doing. Maybe it's confused about what to hang on to. Wow, how crazy.
Neato.
This is really interesting. I don't know what the heck.
Who would have thought that I'd be here
I
years
think
later?
it's just confused because there's this thing. Oh, there it goes.
There it goes. It dropped.
Fell off. Alrighty. Well, now you can have that spot, fella. There's your spot. Now you have a spot. He's gonna keep going.
Get this damn thing out of my way.
Yeah, right? And there's the one with the wings, who's just kind of hanging out right now.
The one without the wings is kind of acting like the other one's not even there.
Yeah. There's this spot. I wish this flashlight had a bigger thing on it.
Yeah, I think the batteries are dying.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me try my phone again.
Well, now they're just stopped and they're kind of just hanging out.